Just want to say that Bitcoin blockchain has been compromised. It's just a saying. Bitcoin never has been more secure than now, so, ladies and gentlemen. For that reason, I want to share with you the points where I believe Bitcoin is gonna become the best sun money um, in the history of the humankind. After review a lot of material, I just realized how important it is to understand Bitcoin before making any kind of investment. Um, at the beginning, you just wanted to earn a couple dollars here, $100 here, and then trying to invest, trying to beat or make like a casino. However, the outstanding point for owning Bitcoin um, in the first stage is understanding first what it means, why you want to buy Bitcoin, why you want to own it, why you want to hold it. That's the main question you have to ask before investment in Bitcoin. If so, answering those questions to yourself, you can understand the cycles, ups and downs that goes with volatile assets as Bitcoin. That's why many people fail and end up losing a lot of money because they don't understand these kind of cycles, the volatility, and the process of adoption that its asset is facing at this moment. Um, the fact that an institution, a big company, are getting into it is proof that Bitcoin has um, overcome many obstacles that people were talking about, like the possibility of uh, create a fork to duplicate the Bitcoin blockchain itself, the possibility of 51% attack, which one part or one um, group of miners decided to create or change the protocols to the Bitcoin network. And the time has proved that the failure of these kind of attackers to succeed in such an enterprise. Um, Now the network, the blockchain has become successfully because of the consensus of the majority of the nodes of the miners that fight and trying to keep the blockchain safe, uh, no matter what. Because it makes sense because there's more rewards keeping the network, the blockchain safe than trying to hack or alter the nature of the ecosystem itself. So it makes a lot of sense. That's why the reason why I started noticing that Bitcoin becomes a good asset, at least from my standpoint of view, as a store of value asset in these economic times in which the valuation of every dollar um, increases over time, and your purchasing power keeps decreasing over and over. Savings accounts can pace along with these increases on um, living costs, expenses increasing up over and over. So that's why I started to understand, as many of you guys probably that don't want to give it a shot, to give a chance to try Bitcoin, the same way I started off looking at it like a new scam, as an asset that drops, um, the price drops dramatically without an advice. So, as I mentioned before, that's the reason why you need to understand the nature of the ecosystem and trying to invest before investing anything on it, you need to understand the nature of the ecosystem. Learn about Bitcoin, why you want to buy it. You want to buy it because you just wanted to play a casino and trying to earn a couple dollars, few dollars, $100 in no time. So that's gonna lead you to time up the market, which eventually is gonna create a deception of a point of lose your money trying to time up the market and buying high and losing sending buying high, the price is high, and sell it when it goes down. Pretty much because understanding why Bitcoin is what it is the first stage for any investment or an investor to start off with before doing any kind of solid investment in the ecosystem. So that's my point of view today, and I want to share with you. And uh, I don't know. I don't know if Bitcoin's gonna go like 100, 200, $2,000 at the end of the year, whatever that kind of price might be. But the history um, shown us what will have been happening. So since the valuation of the Bitcoin comes from zero to a couple dollars, and then $100, $200, and that proved us that the asset is overcome and all the obstacles of the critics, and now is in the development stage of its life cycle. So I hope you make a research trying to understand first what is Bitcoin, why do you want to invest, what your strategy before um, buying it. That's the first advice as my personal experience have shown me, and I want to share with you um, as an advice before jumping into Bitcoin. When you do that and you do the homework and you understand what you're trying to invest in Bitcoin and you develop your own strategy, you will become more um, aware of these ups and down cycles, and you will be able to manage the stress that can have when the price of Bitcoin drops dramatically. And such a stage, you when that happens, you just want to see like a new buy opportunity to get increase your participation into the ecosystems. So that's one of my advice today, so guys, and thank you for watching the video. Next time.